Hi Daisy, I just wanted to go over your assignment with you. On this form, you're missing the patient's name, the patient's address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. You're missing the patient's date of birth. You're missing the sex of the patient. You have all of these answered correct. So over here, this number is correct. You could have just put same as patient, same as patient, same as patient, same as patient. You do have this right here, but again, this should have been over up in here. It doesn't necessarily need to be there. You are missing the insurance, which is Medicaid here. You're missing the signature on file here, the date here, signature on file there. This is correct here. So this number is slightly off, but I'll let you go on that one. But you're missing, there should be two numbers here. You are missing, it is 009.612. So which would make this diagnostic pointer go A and B. We have this information correct. A and B. The total charge up here is 42. Need to put that there. How many days? It was 1 day. You have the correct number there. This, we have all of that. The total charge you have down there. You're missing the phone number here. You have the MPI number there, but you're missing it here. You have the signature on file. So there is some stuff that you need to tweak. I made you a video last week, so I don't understand why you're still making this mistake. Are you watching my videos? In this whole box, is the patient's information. You should have Travis Ward, his address in here, and his phone number. Let's see. Bill type you're missing up here. You have the address there, which is fine. You have that and that. So service units you're missing is the 1 and the 1. The prices here you're missing. You're missing the total. You're missing the payer's name and the insurer's name. So you're really not putting much time or effort into these because I am creating these videos for you. There was 2 UV forms that you needed to complete. You're missing Matthew Jones. Email it to me by Tuesday for additional credit.